Hi guys, Dr. Staci Avakian, Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland. We're here today with Sylvia, who's been so gracious to allow us to actually show her face and do a video on her adjustment today. So the cool thing about Sylvia's adjustment today is that I actually adjust her seated, doing all instrument techniques. We've tried some laying down adjustments and it's just not comfortable for her, and so when she's done, she doesn't feel a ton better. And so we've tried a little bit of both, and she feels really good with the seated adjustments and using a couple other techniques to free up her low back or her left hip. She came in initially, her biggest issue is, we have an MRI, so we know exactly what her issues are, but she has a lot of pain in her left low back, over the buttock area, and in the back of the left thigh, which was constant. And now after a couple weeks of treatment, she still has a lot of pain, which might not ever go totally away, but now after a constant pain for a couple of months, now she's getting periods of relief and where she feels like she can move freely and can actually walk around unassisted. So we'll go ahead and do her adjustment. So you guys have seen lots of instrument adjusting that I use. So we do this just to help break up any scar tissue, and it does create movement within the individual segments. And you'll see I have one little area of Sylvia's low back that I skip, and that's actually part of her treatment because we have an MRI telling us exactly what's going on in there. So I like to skip this area, but then work below it. Whenever we work on it, it gets nice and hot, which is a really good sign of increased blood flow and cellular healing. And so then I'm going to do a little work right here. I want you to do, we're going to do the knees in and out again.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Go ahead.
Perfect. So I like to call this motion adjusting. It's where I have Sylvia actually create motion in the exact joint that I'm working on as I create pressure and vibration to free that area up. Okay, so you can relax. Let's come over and do the standing portion. So she gets a little bit of a workout while she's here.
Yeah.
So we'll start. So we'll start with the one where you turn your whole leg out and in. Perfect. And so she just keeps doing that. And what we're doing is creating all the different motions that this joint does while I work on it. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
This area gets a little tender sometimes. You can relax. And now we'll do the up and down one.
Okay.
A little bit higher. Perfect. So I can feel this whole area move while she does that. Good. You can relax. So that's Sylvia's adjustment for today. And now we'll go ahead and put a little bit of TENS unit on to help ease that muscle up and keep any inflammation down. Dr. Staci Avakian and Sylvia, Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland.